What have I done? I wish I could run away from this ship going under. Just trying to help, hurt everyone else. Now I feel the weight of the world is on my shoulders. What can you do when your good isn't good enough, when all that you touch tumbles down? 'Cause my best intentions keep making a mess of things. I just wanna fix it somehow, but how many times will it take? Or how many times will it take for me to get it right? To get it right. Can I start again with my faith shaken? 'Cause I can't go back and undo this. I just have to stay and face my mistakes. But if I get stronger and wiser, I'll get through this. What can you do when your good isn't good enough, and all that you touch tumbles down? 'Cause my best intentions keep making a mess of things. I just wanna fix it somehow, but how many times will it take? How many times will it take for me to get it right? So I throw up my fist, throw a punch in the air, and accept the truth that sometimes life isn't fair. Yeah, I'll send out a wish, yeah, I'll send up a prayer. Then finally someone will see how much I care. What can you do when my good all that you touch tumbles down? Oh, my best intentions keep making a mess of things. Just wanna fix it somehow, but how many times will it take? Oh, how many times will it take to get it